Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Land Rover Discovery 4 2016, and what we've installed on this vehicle is full factory style CarPlay and Android Auto onto the original screen. So we have not changed anything, everything's original. So as you can see, that's your original screen and original system, and our system is installed. So when you press the now button, it switches over to the new system with the CarPlay or Android, fully wireless or wired you can use. Yeah, you got your full apps. It's also full touchscreen as well, so you can use the factory touchscreen to control the system, and also retains, if you have original reverse camera, it will also retain your original reverse camera. So when I put it into reverse, as you can see, the original reverse camera comes up. But if you do not have a camera, we can also add one, so you will get camera as well additionally on the system if you do need one. Yeah, so if you want this kind of system installed on your Land Rover, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG26QA. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and you can see other vehicles that we do with other systems.